How to fix Nya 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 Girls keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game, go to properties, and then under launch options you want to type -dx11 like this. Then you want to go to installed files tab and click on verify integrity of game files, and wait for this process as it might take a while. Now once this is done, you want to click on the browse button and then find the game exe file, right click on it, click on properties and then compatibility tab, and then enable both of these options right here. Click on OK and close this folder, and then you want to open up your GPU application or look for the latest updates. So for NVIDIA you will need NVIDIA app. Now once you open NVIDIA app, you want to go to drivers section and check for the latest updates and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And then you will need to restart your computer. Now once you do that, you'll simply open up Steam again and just launch the game and start playing, and it should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.